In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to make a dukkah. Now, a dukkah can consist of lots of different spices, different seeds, different nuts. Today we're going to use a nice combination of walnuts. We've got some pumpkin seeds, we have some fennel seeds, a little bit of cumin, and we're going to put a wee bit of flaky salt in there. Now, the dukkah is a very versatile store cupboard ingredient to put through salads. It brings brilliant texture. It works very well with grilled vegetables. You can sprinkle it over fish. Just adds a little bit of complexity to dishes. In other videos where we're making our dips and sauces, it's super to finish over hummus, labneh, things like that. Very simple. So I've put my frying pan, or you could use a pot, onto a reasonably low heat. This is an induction stove. If you've got gas or electric at home, just exactly the same sort of technique. Just managing the heat is very important. And I'm going to start by just toasting off our seeds and nuts. So we've got some lovely walnut halves here. We could be using macadamia, almonds. You don't even need to add nuts. These just are very, very nice. Now, the same goes for if we're making a spice mix. We want to always try and buy whole spices. There's a real key and a real trick to making beautiful curries and different dishes that utilize herbs and spices, dried herbs and spices. When the spice is whole and the nuts are whole like this, all those oils are trapped inside. As we put them in the pan and the heat starts to hit them, they'll start to release those oils, or the oils are warm. We'll just get much more flavor. Okay, so very, very easy. Just pop them in the pan. Some fennel seeds. Could be adding coriander here, caraway. This is a little bit of cumin. Okay. I'm just going to get these out of the way. Cooking with the senses, as always, very important. This one we're using the hearing. Okay, so I can hear them starting to pop, starting to crackle. But I can also smell them. I can smell the cumin and the fennel. Just taking care not to burn the seeds. If we burn them, they'll be bitter. We just want a little bit of colour on there, just lightly toasted. And we could do this in the oven as well. Around about 130 degrees. It's just a little bit quicker doing it like this. Okay. Depending on the size of your seeds and spices and nuts, whatever you're using, you may want to crush them up a little bit afterwards. So I've just got a little pestle and mortar, but you could also use a bowl with a rolling pin and just smash them up. It's just really the walnuts I want to break up a little. Okay. A touch more. Getting loads of aroma. We can see a little bit of steam coming off them as well. Absolutely beautiful. This will last in an airtight container in the cupboard for a good month. The flavour will go down, but you can do it in bigger batches. If you see a good offer on walnuts or different seeds or whole spices, it's a great way to use them. Okay, so I'm happy with that amount of toasting now. You can see there's lovely colour. We can see on the edges of the pumpkin seeds that they're just starting to split. And all the other spices just got a nice bit of colour. Walnuts a little bit toasted. And so I'm just going to transfer them over to my pestle and mortar. Now these, you can often find these in charity shops. It's one of these pieces of equipment that people have in the kitchen and never use, but they really are very handy. Okay, so this is when all the magic's going to happen. So I'm going to take a little bit of salt in here. And just using the mortar and pestle together, I'm just going to smash them up. Instantly I'm getting lots of aroma. It's already really inspiring. Thinking what dishes to make with it. I'm going to use this into a lovely salad dish with baby gem and blue cheese. A little bit of olive oil, so I'm going to keep it quite chunky. And that's us, so our dukkah is finished. You can see all those different textures. The aroma is amazing. It can be used for a whole variety of different dishes. Give it a shot. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.